but my heart is beating, and the darling little one's reading to me, and all of us know how powerful that is, that excitement. I can remember my experiences as a reader like that. I remember the very first full sentence I ever read was with my mother, who was teaching me primary correspondence school. I lived in a little bush town in the middle of Queensland, and the sentence was, "A fly fell in wee Tim's milk." But we all know how vitally important this program is. I mean, you know, so many emotions are affecting me this morning as I think about that. The importance, the significance, the power, the value of what's being done at Buk bilong Pikinini. Opening up the joys of reading, but literacy opens up everything in our lives. It's the key to understanding the world around us, to knowing how to negotiate every aspect of our lives, of our society, how to do the most basic things like shopping and travelling, catching buses, doing anything depends on literacy. One of the things I most enjoy in this role, as I have across my life really, is sitting reading with children. And usually it's about me reading to them, and to have those little children reading to me with such confidence and such wonderful books. It's truly uplifting. So thank you for giving me this lovely gift of coming here this morning and sitting with the children, watching their performances, reflecting on what happens here. And I want to say congratulations to all of the staff, all of the people who make this happen. You can feel as you walk in here the commitment and dedication, the devotion to a vitally important program. The marvellous sponsors, Hastings Deering, Oxford University Press, these solid, wonderful corporate organisations that we know so well. They should be doing this, and I'm thrilled to see that they are, and I thank them. And must be very important to the organisations and to everybody who works in them to know that they're supporting this kind of very basic human rights work, because that's what it is. To all the parents who are here this morning, the families, that's the lovely thing too about Buk bilong Pikinini, that it brings together families, generations of them. I love your idea of taking the library to places where children are, so that they're captured. And once you get captured by books, you know, your life is never the same. Books are our very best friends. I never go anywhere without one, and you can pull them out at any time. And I want to say how delighted I am to have the opportunity to participate today as patron of Make a Mark Australia. This is, like yours really, a wonderful community-based, what I call grassroots organisation of people who have come together under the leadership of some of my colleagues, I'm very proud to say, Mark Fraser and Paul Singer, to do just what you're doing, to bring literacy to children who have special needs, who need extra attention, so that their lives are opened up, their potential can be fulfilled and delivered, so that they can make contributions to their community. And what Make a Mark focuses on is just what we see here really, of getting books to children, mobile libraries. It's working in Africa, in countries that we visited, we know. We like to be in places where we know we can make a difference, the best way, we think, to make that difference and to urge others to get behind what we all stand for here today, opportunities for little children. So we're delighted to be presenting some books and a cheque today to support a mobile library. And I hope that this is one of many initiatives that Make a Mark will bring to this lovely community here. Thank you very, very much. These are some beautiful books by one of my very favourite children's writers, Narelle Oliver. And I know that the kids will love them. So there's some books, but very importantly, we always need cash in these operations. And so today we present to Buk bilong Pikinini $10,000 to empower children and to make this mobile library that Hastings Deering contributed to a reality. Thank you very much. Yes.